Our school, our earth, our responsibility. Today, on the occasion of World Environment Day, we, the students of Muthamil Public School, proudly share our efforts to protect nature and create a greener future.
Environment is not just around us, it is our life. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the trees that give us shade, the soil that grows our food are all gifts of nature. Protecting them is our responsibility. At Muthamil School, we believe that small actions can create big changes. Our school has taken many meaningful steps to build a healthy and eco-friendly campus.
Plastic-free campus. One of our important initiatives is maintaining plastic-free campus. We avoid single-use plastics and encourage students to use reusable water bottles, lunchbox and cloth bags. By saying no to plastic, we are helping to reduce pollution and protect our environment.
Sapling plantation. Trees are the lungs of our earth. To make our surroundings greener, students and teachers actively participate in sapling plantation programs. Every plant we grow is a step towards a cleaner and cooler future. We learn to care for the plants with love and responsibility.
Campus cleaning. Clean surroundings create a healthy environment. Our students regularly participate in campus cleaning activities. Through teamwork and awareness, we keep our school neat, green and beautiful. These activities teach us discipline, responsibility and respect for nature.
Eco-friendly idol making. During festivals, instead of using harmful plasters of Paris idols, our school encourages eco-friendly idol making using mud, clay and sawdust. These natural materials are safe for the environment and easily decomposes without polluting water bodies. Through this practice, we can learn that traditions can also be celebrated in an eco-conscious way.
World Environment Day reminds us that Earth is our only home. If we protect nature today, nature will protect us tomorrow. Every student can contribute by saving water, planting trees, reducing waste and keeping surroundings clean.
Let us promise to be a responsible citizen who care for our planet every day, not only on World Environment Day. Together, let us create a greener, cleaner and healthier future. Thank you. Happy World Environment Day.